When you think of an iconic car, what comes to mind? Perhaps it's a vehicle that stood the test of time, evolving through the decades while keeping its signature charm. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is one such car, where history meets modernity in a seamless blend. But what is it about the new Beetle that makes it so special? Let's dive into the design elements that make this car a true standout. Imagine standing in front of the 2025 Beetle. The first thing that grabs your attention is its front grille. It's a beautiful blend of the old and the new, paying tribute to its classic predecessors while embracing contemporary design. The grille is minimalist, with horizontal slots that give it a clean, sleek look. But the real showstopper is the Volkswagen emblem, which has been enlarged and refined, making it the centerpiece of the front end. This bold emblem serves as a reminder of the Beetle's rich heritage, while the overall design satisfies both traditionalists and modernists alike. As your eyes move from the grille, they're immediately drawn to the iconic round headlights. These aren't just any headlights, though. The 2025 Beetle retains its signature round shape, but upgrades to state-of-the-art LED technology. This modern twist on a classic feature not only enhances visibility, but also adds a touch of sophistication to the Beetle's retro-modern aesthetic. The circular arrangement of LEDs around the main light source creates a unique appearance, further complemented by the integrated LED daytime running lights, DRLs. These DRLs echo the circular pattern of the headlights, ensuring that the Beetle's design language is consistent and unmistakable. The front bumper of the Beetle has been meticulously crafted to flow seamlessly with the headlights and grille, creating a unified and refined look. This design not only enhances the car's aesthetic appeal, but also improves its aerodynamic efficiency. Small air vents at the lower section of the bumper add a sporty touch, blending classic automotive design with modern performance elements. As you step back to take in the Beetle's side profile, the nostalgia is palpable. The beloved curves and rounded roofline are instantly recognizable, reminiscent of the original model that won hearts around the world. Yet these classic elements are reimagined for a modern era, creating a shape that is both timeless and contemporary. The two-door design emphasizes the Beetle's sporty, compact nature, with large doors that make getting in and out a breeze, while enhancing the car's overall look. When it comes to wheels, the 2025 Beetle doesn't disappoint. You can choose from sizes starting at 16 inches and going up to 18 inches, with designs that enhance both performance and aesthetics. Many of the wheel designs feature vintage-inspired patterns, perfectly in tune with the Beetle's overall look. These wheels aren't just about style. They're also designed for comfort and durability, ensuring a smooth ride no matter where the road takes you. The all-season tires are versatile, allowing the Beetle to handle any weather condition with ease, making it as practical as it is beautiful. The side mirrors, integrated with turn signals and matching the body color, add both aesthetic and functional value. They reduce wind resistance and improve visibility, contributing to the Beetle's safety and efficiency. And let's not forget the delicate chrome accents that outline the window frames and lower bodyline. These subtle details add a touch of elegance, highlighting the Beetle's aerodynamic design and sophisticated character. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive history, lovingly reimagined for the modern world. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation, designed to appeal to those who appreciate the past while looking forward to the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.